guys, what's up? It's Brooklyn. I'm back with another video. If you don't know, I do all things sewing and embroidery around here and a little bit of crafts sprinkled in. So today's video, we're going to embroider the liner on this Easter basket, and I thought how perfect for it to be this week, Easter's Sunday, so we gotta book it and get this stitched up. Let's go. I am going to first thing measure. Don't you dare laugh at my measuring tape. It has seen some better days. So I'm going to measure from this little handle to the other handle to get center. And it looks like it's about 9.5. So I'm going to go ahead and mark that. I'm going to actually just put it in between that scallop. And then I like to take a pin to do this so that it doesn't come off. Stickers sometimes do. All right. So then we're gonna print our design off because that gives us the best visual. I just type this up in Brilliance and then I'm gonna lay it on here and see where I need to place it. Okay, I'm gonna fold my little crosshair area and line it up. Okay, that's about where it's gonna be placed. So I think I'm just going to scooch the pin up just a smidgen from where it was. Okay, now we're going to check the crosshair again and lay it on there like that. I think I'm going to like it right there. Let me check. Yeah, now that we've got that marked, we're going to just take it off. This just has ties right here, so now that we've got center marked and our placement, we'll just take it off. All right, and there's several different ways you can hoop this. I think I'm just gonna float this on a fast frame. Let me tape this up. Here I have the fast frame, and then this is the hoop that goes on it and just simply snaps on like that, and you twist this little guy on and you're ready to go. So I'm going to put the sticky stabilizer on this hoop. So I like to just lay the stabilizer out. That way you can put the hoop on top of it and make sure there's enough coverage for the hoop because you end up folding over the edges of the stabilizer to the frame, or the hoop, sorry. All right. So just peel it up. I just make sure there's enough to catch both ends, and then sometimes if there's a lot of excess, I just trim this off because we don't need the bulk of that going through the stitching. And then just wrap sides. Sometimes I kind of put a little slit if it needs to bend right there. Kind of like you're wrapping a present. All right. Okay, and you'll just simply lay the basket liner on this. So this is going to be loaded into the machine this way. So we need to make sure it's put on in the best possible way so that there is clearance for this to move while it's going. So I like to load things with product out of the way. So we're going to line up, there's a little center mark on this. I'm going to try to line up that with the crosshair that I put on there. If it's not perfect, we can move it on the machine. Okay, I'm gonna secure this with the sides with clips so it doesn't move as well. And now it's ready to go on the machine. Now that we have it attached to the frame, we're gonna just go ahead and put it in our normal frame's arm. Just like that. Okay. And we can't forget to rotate the design because obviously it's loaded in, rotated. 180 degrees. Okay, I'm gonna check the placement and go ahead and move it to the crosshair. Now we're just gonna trace. It looks like it's pretty spot on, so let's get to stitching. she's done. Just rip this away. Always hold stitches if I'm gonna rip like this. Cute. That's so cute. Let's go stuff it in the basket. Moment of truth. Let me set this down to tie it. Stop, that's so cute. Are you guys ready? So cute. Precious. If you found this helpful, go ahead and give me a little like ski. Consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one.